search engine optimization. In this lecture video, I will consider the search engine optimization techniques. So before going into the search engine optimization technique, first I will go through simple observation regarding the sharing of different search engine in the market. So from the latest survey, February 2013, the search engine market share, it is clear that globally Google shares 88.8% of entire search market, and after that second rank is Bing, and third Baidu, a Chinese search engine, it in third position, and Yahoo is in fourth position, and then Ask.com and other. If you go through the, if you just consider the United States search engine market share, then Mr. Google shares 86.3%, and Bing, Microsoft search engine, shares 7.3% of entire market, and after that Yahoo is in third position. So according to different search market sharing of search engines, we can make our strategy for search engine optimization. Actually, the main goal of search engine optimization is to improve the visibility of website through the natural and upset way known as organic search. For example, suppose search, some people use keyword like golden bridge or golden bridge furniture in Google, then you will be beneficial only if the search engine puts your web page link at the highest position. However, there may be some paid search, but if I am not considering the paid search, then even then we can apply some strategy to keep our web page, to improve the visibility of our web page so that it can come at the highest rank or as earliest as possible. So it involves the altering the website code, content, and the presence in order to increase the ranking of website. Search engine optimization may target different kinds of search, including image search, local search, video search, academic search, news search, industry specific pages, and search engine. Even suppose you create your personal website, then your website should have a very good strategic design with full of supporting information and good quality links so that people can stay some time on your website. Then you can increase the rank of your website. And when people search your website by using simple keyword like your name or some related words, by using any search engine, then your website will come at the higher position. So this is a general picture that I will cover in this lecture. So first I will go through how do organic search listings work. Suppose we are not considering the paid search, then first a spider or a crawler, it crawls the entire web content. Actually, it is a component of search engine, gathers the listing by automatically crawling the web. It collects all the pages available on the net, and then spider follows the link to the web pages, make copies of the page, and stores them in search engine's index. Based on this data, the search engine then indexes the pages and rank the websites. Most of the search engines index the pages by using spiders. All famous search engines like Google, Yahoo, Alta Vista, MSN, AOL, Lycos use the same techniques. So first I will go through the Google's guidelines on the site design because it has the highest market share in the world. So the first thing I covered this content, I captured this content, I just used this content, and same content is available on Google site. How to design your website to improve the visibility. Make a site with a clear hierarchy of text links. Clear hierarchy and text links. Every page should be reachable from at least one static text link. For example, page contains, suppose if there is a personal website and there is a link like study, professional experience. So there should be under the complete your complete website with any name. So there should be such kind of clear hierarchy or text links. Suppose people click here, then it will open the study related information, professional experience, then it will open the your professional experience related page and so on. Offer a sitemap to your users with a link that point to important parts of your site. As I declared here, if sitemap has an extremely large number of links, you may want to break the sitemap into multiple pages. Keep the links on a given page to a reasonable number. Don't put a huge number of links. Create a useful information rich site and write pages that clearly and accurately describe your content. You can use some keyword rich information or some strategy to write text in keyword rich manner without compromising with readability of the text. Think about the words user would type to find out your pages. For example, suppose your page contains the your page is related to some furniture or handicraft works, then your page titles or wordings used in the page should focus on those things. Next is try to use the text instead of image to display the important names, contents, or links. The reason is Google crawler doesn't recognize text content in image. If you must use image for textual content, consider using the alternate text to describe those images. Make sure that your title, elements, and alternate description attributes are descriptive and accurate. Check for broken links and correct HTML. If you decide to use dynamic pages, the URL contains a question character. Be aware that not every search engine spider crawls the dynamic pages as well as static pages. It helps us to keep the parameters short and number of them few. Some technical guidelines. First is use a text browser such as Linux to examine your site. It will improve the it will help you in improving the visibility of your site because most of search engine spiders see your site as much as Linux will. If fancy features such as JavaScript, cookies, session IDs, frames, DHTML, or class keeps you from seeing your entire sites in the text browser, then search engine spider may have trouble in crawling such sites. Allow search boots to crawl your site without session ID or arguments that track their path through the site. Make sure your web server supports if modified since HTTP headers. This feature allows your web server to tell Google whether your content has changed since we last crawled or not. Make use of robot.txt file on your web server so that crawler will get the information that which directories it can crawl or it cannot crawl. Test your site to make sure that it appears correctly in different browsers. Monitor your site's performance and optimize the load times. Better to keep better to avoid heavy animated information which are not easily readable by several text spiders or crawlers, and increase the use of textual contents or supporting textual contents. So now I will go through some search engine optimization techniques to improve the optimization to optimize the web pages. The first is a domain name strategy. Domain names are traffic magnets. Choose a domain name that will increase your search engine ranking. Here, main aim of search engine optimization is to improve the ranking of your page. So use keywords, location, advertising terms, and product names. The main thing is choose keyword that is very important for your business and highly representative of your business also. Linking strategies. Actually, most of the page rank based techniques ranks any web page based on number of incoming link and number of and or number of incoming links from famous web pages. So both are important. So, and link should be strong famous keywords. For example, suppose your website is related to shopping, then you can use some famous shopping keyword, and the more inbound links, the higher the search engine ranking. Already discussed. If the site linking to you is already indexed, the spider will also receive your site. Quality of inbound links is critical. Means if your pages are linked by famous pages, then it will help you to improve the ranking of your pages. How to increase links? First is by using creative content, copyright. Second is by using outbound links. Third is by using target links of sites from which you can request inbound links. So these are three ways. From by using those ways, you can increase the inbound links for your sites. Links for the sake of links can damage your search rankings. Means your linking strategy should not have a link spam type of characteristics. Third important thing is keywords. Research what keyword are people searching for using tool. For example, word tracker. www.wordtracker.com. Keywords are the words that appear the most in the pages. The spider chooses the appropriate keyword for each page and then send them back to the search engine. Search engine index the websites based on the keywords, which can be a single word or phrase. Do not use common words. Example: common words means you can consider stock words or highly frequent words. Generally, web crawler ignores such kind of words. Use the right type of keywords or keyword rich text. Balance the keyword rich and readability. Always have a text in your page, at least 100 words. Search engine optimization title tags. The first thing that a search engine displays on the search return should be the highest important keyword in the text page. Title should have the exact keyword you use for the page. Every single page must have its own title or tag. You can use up to 65 characters. For example, title is littered with keyword. So title should be small, very effective, and highly related to the content of the page. Meta description tag. I think you should write something to enhance the readability of your title. For example, suppose your title is like whiteboxtools.com, then you can explain something in few words about white box tools, and it such kind of meta description text displayed below the title in search results. Use dynamic and promotional language. Use keywords for such kind of meta description tags. You can use alt tags for your pictures so that the picture you are using to enhance the visibility of your site will help you in ranking also. Submit your website to search engines for indexing. Submit your site to search engine directories, directory sites, and portal sites. Indexing takes generally Google indexing takes 3 months time. Other search engine optimization techniques. What you should not do. For example, first Flash and Shockwave both are not readable by search engine crawlers. Image only sites. Actually, search engine crawlers are not able to read the images. So use the alternate text in place with the images. Image maps. Spiders cannot read image maps. Do not use them on your home page or critical pages. Frames. Only one page can be titled. Titling is critical in search engine ranking. If the spider cannot read the complete page because of the frame, it will not be indexed properly. Some spiders may not even read the frame's website. Misspelling, JavaScript, or HTML errors should be avoided. PDF file. Sometimes some search engine crawlers are not able to read the PDF files. So place such kind of PDF files lower down in your sites. Drop down menus. We also should also avoid the drop down menus because spider cannot read them. Therefore, make sure that you have a proper site name. Thanks.